Now, despite dangers and risks, it's undeniable that large-scale snow and ice developments greatly pushes winter tourism, and it is growing in appeal in several places. In Val Thorens, located in the French Alps, the resort has been selected to pilot the ski resort of the future, using advanced technologies such as rescue drones and AI-powered crowd monitoring system to enhance visitor experience and safety.
Situated at an altitude of 2,300 meters, Val Thorens is the highest ski resort in Europe, welcoming more than 1 million visitors during the 2023-2024 winter season. Moving beyond safety measures based mainly on experiences, the resort is now adopting advanced technologies to prevent risk proactively. As dusk falls, Oliver Gardet, technical manager of the ski patrol team, begins operating crewless aerial vehicles.
From above, drones can detect details invisible to the naked eye and have previously helped locate a victim buried in an avalanche outside the ski runs. At night, monitoring continues in the control room, where the ski flux system displays real-time data on crowd density and snow depth on each ski slope, blue indicating thick snow, red showing thin areas.
Really important to get some data, because if you don't know we have to know the depth of the layer of snow to know if we need to come back with a snowcat to push the snow, or if we need to do some snow production.
Thanks to this data-driven approach, Val Thorens produces snow only where necessary, significantly reducing water and energy consumption and delivering clear environmental benefits. Amid the snow-covered Alps, the resort is redefining how ski areas operate, where technology not only enhances their experience but also improves safety for visitors.